my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber. So today we will be unboxing the Demonia Camel-311s, and this is the white version. I know they do come in 4 different colors. They come in black, white, pink, and they also have like a blue slash not blue, oh my gosh, brown. They have a brown and tan one. I don't know why I said blue. That would be cool if they had blue though. So anyways, I'm looking at Demonia's website right now, and they are completely sold out on Demonia's website in this color. It's the white ones, and I know that they're super hard to get your hands on. So I was so lucky that, you know, they came back in stock and I was notified, and you know, I immediately bought them because the resale price on Depop is like crazy. Like, I've seen these on Depop for over $200 when on Demonia's website they're only $112. So I don't really know how ethical that is to resell it for a lot more, but like, I get it, like it's rare to get your hands on and stuff. But anyways, I got these from Demonia's website, so I thought it'd be fun to do like an unboxing, kind of show you guys like my first impressions. This is not my first pair of Demonias. I have the Shaker 100s. I have a pair of like Emily sandals with like little bats on them. I have another pair of Shakers, but they're like the low white ones. I think that's all the Demonias I have. I only have 3 other ones, and then these, so now I have 4. So if you're thinking of getting your own pair of Camel 311s, but you have like some questions, or there's anything that I don't answer in this video, feel free to put a question in the comments. I have notifications on my phone whenever I get a comment on a YouTube video, so I will see your comment and respond as soon as I can. But I'll try to put my calf measurements when I try them on. I'll tell you guys if they're comfortable, what the material is like, and at the end of the video, I'm actually going to put together a couple outfits that you can wear with these shoes, just to kind of give you guys like outfit inspiration if you have these shoes or you're thinking of buying these shoes. So that's the plan for today's video. All right, so we are gonna get down and dirty, and we are just gonna go ahead and open this. So here's what the package looks like when it comes in the mail. So they have like their shoe boxes, and then they just wrap it. Like, they don't put the shoe box in another box, they just wrap it in like paper, which I really like. I think it's more of a sustainable option rather than like putting the shoe box in another box. So I really just like how they put paper on this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, the wrapping is completely off. Here's what the box looks like. It is huge. It is a huge box, and it has a rubber band around it right here. And oh, you can see the fuzz poking out right here. I'm so excited. And then over here in the corner, it has my size and the style. It's the Camel 311s, and I got a size 9. Okay, so I'm taking the rubber band off, and I kind of angled it down so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so here's the box. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lid off. All right. Oh, it has that new shoe smell. I love that. You can see the fur poking out over here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me go ahead and set this down here. Okay. So these are, looks like they're individually wrapped. So here's the first shoe, and they are wrapped in plastic. They have the Demonia wrappings on it. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, these are so freaking cute. Stop, look how chunky and cute they are. So right off the bat, this quality is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I think one of my favorite parts about these shoes is the flame bottom. Not all Demonias have this bottom, but these shoes have the like flames on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see them. See, look at the flames. They're so cool. On the inside, they have some cardboard, so it would hold its shape during transit, which is nice. And I think they have, yeah, they have some tissue paper in the bottom right here. But oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. And what I love about Demonia boots, because I have a pair of Shakers that, you know, are tall like this, they're lined with like foam. So it has like a foam lining, so it's not just like the, I think these are faux leather. So it's not just like the faux leather like straight on your legs. So I really like how they're lined with foam. But here they are so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys and let you know how they feel, are they comfortable, and all that good stuff. All right, you guys, so I got the boots. They are super cute. I am just, oh, they're so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear them in the winter. But anyways, we are like by my Depop shipping station, so like this is all my shipping materials, so just like disregard that, pretend that's not here, pretend I have a cute minimalistic YouTube background. Anyways, so here they are. They come up to about my knee when I don't have the platform on, but I know they're going to come a little bit lower once I have the, once I have them on and everything. But they have these zippers on the inside, so it's easy on and off. So I'm just going to go ahead and take down the zipper. All right, and on the inside here, like I said earlier, this is all like foam lined. I don't know how well that you can tell, but this is all foam lined, and it's super comfortable, so I'm excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, perfect fit. Perfect fit. I feel like Cinderella right now. Oh, you guys, these are so cute. All right, so right off the bat, there is some room up here at the top, but I think I can tighten it with these strings. So I'm gonna try and do that right now. So yeah, the strings in the front are adjustable. So if you need to loosen them or tighten them, that's good that they made this adjustable, because I know for the shaker boots that I have, they are not adjustable, and I have like skinny legs, I guess you could say, and they fit me like perfect, but I don't think they're very size inclusive, if you know what I mean, because there are people with obviously bigger calves than me, so I don't know how inclusive the Shaker 100s are, but these are super awesome because they are adjustable. Just like the other one, I'm gonna adjust this side because it is a little bit too loose for me. But look, there's like a bunch of calf room. Like you can literally like adjust this as much as you would like. All right, you guys, so here are the boots. I just tied them so they would fit my calves, and they are just so cute. They are so comfortable as well. There really isn't that much of an arch. Like as you can see, of course there's a platform, but the arch really isn't as bad as other platform shoes, so your foot still is laying kind of flat with just a little bit of a heel. So these are just really comfortable. I feel like a Bratz doll right now. These are just so funky, and I just feel so cute. So just so you guys know, for reference, I'm a size 9, and my calf measures about 13.5 inches at the top right here. But like I said, these are adjustable, so it doesn't really matter what your calf size is, because these can fit to pretty much any calf size, because they have the ties up the front you can adjust. So now I'm going to go ahead and put together some outfits that I think would look awesome with these shoes, and I'll get right back to you guys. Hi there, you guys. I picked up a couple outfits from my wardrobe that I think you guys would think were cute and would work well with these boots, and that would kind of be easy to replicate at home. So here's just a couple outfits that I picked out to match with these shoes. So of course we got the shoes. They are super cute, but I picked out this plaid skort. This one's actually from the 90s, and then I picked out this tank top, which actually has my brand's design on it, as well as a Crypt Fairy necklace and a ball chain from Tunnel Vision. So for this next outfit, I picked a cute little zip-up sweater vest with a little furry collar that matches the fur on the boots. And then to pair with that, I have a little denim mini skirt with a cute little chain belt. All of this is thrifted, pretty much, unless it was given to me by one of my friends or from Depop. But I don't think I got any of this stuff from Depop. But the belt I thrifted. The skirt is from my friend Nancy. Hi, Nancy, I love you. And then that sweater is actually from an estate sale. This next outfit is super cute and casual as well. Again, we love the boots. They're just so stylish, and you can pair them with like pretty much anything. So I got the boots on. I got this cute, adorable bag that my sister actually made for me. Love you, Lainey. She made me this bag from a thrifted fabric that we found, and I have a purple slip skirt on, and I love it because they have little roses on the sides and the shirt by the mountain. This next outfit is super cute as well. It is another all-white outfit, kind of like the one with the zip-up sweater. But this one has a long maxi skirt, which I love how it looks paired with the boots. And then on top, I have a long cardigan sweater. And my favorite part about this sweater is that it has a hood. But here's the maxi skirt. It is just super cute, and it kind of flares at the bottom. And just paired underneath the sweater, I do have a cute little like 90s tank top. It has glitter on it. All right, so here's the last outfit that I have for you guys. It has this beautiful white fur coat paired with a white mini skirt and the same white tank top that was in the outfit before. I just think this coat is absolutely beautiful. Thank you to my friend Nancy for letting me borrow it. Love you, Nancy. She said she actually bought this coat from iGirl a couple years ago, so that is where it's from. Hi you guys, I just got done filming all of the outfits, and honestly these shoes are way easier to style than I thought they would be. They can be worn super casually, you know, just with like a little skirt and a little tank top, but honestly I thought they would be harder to style, but you could literally wear them with like anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again so much for watching. If you guys are interested in supporting me on my Depop and you want to buy something on my Depop, my Depop username is ghostsoda, and I'll put the link in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments. Bye.